Do you want to learn Swedish quickly and easily? You're in the right place. Today, I'll teach you the basics of Swedish starting from English. Perfect for beginners. Let's jump right in with some greetings. The most common way to say hello in Swedish is hej. It's simple and friendly, just like in English. If you want to say good morning, you say god morgen. And when it's time to say goodbye, use hejda. Try saying these out loud. Hej, god morgen, hejda. It's okay if your accent isn't perfect yet, just have fun with it. Now let's go over some basic phrases you'll use every day. Thank you in Swedish is tack, easy, right? If you want to say please, you have two options, snälla or varsågod. And for yes and no, it's ja, pronounced like ya, and nej, which is like nay. Let's try those together, tack, snälla, varsågod, ja, nej. Next up, numbers. Let's learn how to count from 1 to 10 in Swedish. Repeat after me. ETT, tiva, tre, fyra, fem, sex, sju, åtta, nio, tio. Don't worry if these sound tricky at first. The more you practice, the easier it gets. All right, time for some simple sentences. Want to introduce yourself? Say, jag heter John. That means my name is John. If you want to tell someone you're learning Swedish, say, jag lär mig svenska. And if you want to ask someone where they're from, say varifrån kommer du, these basics will help you start conversations right away. Let's practice what we've learned. I'll say the word in English, and then you'll hear it in Swedish. Ready?
Hello, hej, thank you. Tack, yes. Ja, no, nej, my name is John. Jag heter John, where are you from? Varifrån kommer du?
Try repeating each word after you hear it. Don't be shy. Speaking out loud is the best way to learn. Awesome job. Today you learned how to greet people, say thank you, count from 1 to 10, and even introduce yourself in Swedish. Remember, the key to learning a new language is practice and patience. Subscribe to my channel for the next lesson where we'll dive into daily conversations in Swedish. Keep practicing and you'll be speaking Swedish before you know it. See you next time. Hejda.